Hey YouTube, what's up? Today we are going to show you how to do polar array. So first I'm going to start off by drawing a circle. So I'm going to pick my diameter circle and I'm going to set it as 0, 0 just for ease. And size wise I'll pop it 100, right? So next I'm going to pick up another circle and I'm going to place it at the top here. Okay, and I'm going to call that 10. Okay, so what I'm wanting to do with the polar array, what this is going to allow me to do, is to have this small 10 diameter circle going all the way around on the bigger circle as a center line, essentially. So if I click here, polar array, or type in array polar, okay, and then it's asking me to select my object, so I'm going to pick the small circle and press enter. Now it's asking me to pick the base point slash axis of rotation, which is the center of the big circle. Now you can see automatically it's putting 6 items there. If I want to change that, if you look down the bottom, I can see items. So I'm going to press I and enter, and now it's defaulted at 6, so I can change that. So let's say I want to make a clock face, so I'm going to change that to 12, and it changes it. And then you press enter and you're out of the command, and that's it. Thanks for watching.